ಅಮೃತಪಾನವ ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಿದೆವು ಸ್ವೇಚ್ಛೆಯಿಂದಲೇ. ಆಶೀರ್ವಚನದ ಅಮೃತಪಾನವ ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಿದೆವು ಸ್ವೇಚ್ಛೆಯಿಂದಲೇ. ಶಿವಪೂಜೆಯ ದಿವ್ಯ ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆಯಿಂದ ಪುಳಕಿತರಾದೆವು ಆನಂದದಲ್ಲಿ. ಶಿವಪೂಜೆಯ ದಿವ್ಯ ವೀಕ್ಷಣೆಯಿಂದ ಪುಳಕಿತರಾದೆವು ಆನಂದದಲ್ಲಿ. ಗುರುಗಮನವೀಗ ಬಂದೊದಗಿರುವುದು. ಪಾವನ ಮನ್ಯುಸೂಕ್ತ ಹೋಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹಭಾಗಿಯಾದೆವು ನೇಮದಲ್ಲಿ. ಪಾವನ ಮನ್ಯುಸೂಕ್ತ ಹೋಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹಭಾಗಿಯಾದೆವು ನೇಮದಲ್ಲಿ. ಪಠಿಸಿದೆವು ಗುರು ಸಾನ್ನಿಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಷಾತ್ರಯವನ್ನು ಶ್ರದ್ಧಾ ಭಕ್ತಿಯರಲ್ಲಿ. ಪಠಿಸಿದೆವು ಗುರು ಸಾನ್ನಿಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಷಾತ್ರಯವನ್ನು ಶ್ರದ್ಧಾ ಭಕ್ತಿಯರಲ್ಲಿ. ಗುರುಗಮನವೀಗ ಬಂದೊದಗಿರುವುದು. ಗುರು ಸಾನ್ನಿಧ್ಯದ ಅಲ್ಪ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ತಲ್ಲೀನರಾದೆವು ದಿವ್ಯಾನುಭೂತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಗುರು ಸಾನ್ನಿಧ್ಯದ ಅಲ್ಪ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ತಲ್ಲೀನರಾದೆವು ದಿವ್ಯಾನುಭೂತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಮುಂಬರುವ ಗುರು ಆಗಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ದರ್ಶನ ಭಾಗ್ಯವು ದೀರ್ಘವಾಗಲೆಂದು. ಮುಂಬರುವ ಗುರು ಆಗಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ದರ್ಶನ ಭಾಗ್ಯವು ದೀರ್ಘವಾಗಲೆಂದು. ಗುರು ಚರಣದಿ ನಮ್ರ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆಗೈದು ಬೇಡುವೆವು ಗುರುಪಾದ ಪದ್ಮದಲ್ಲಿ. ಗುರು ಚರಣದಿ ನಮ್ರ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆಗೈದು ಬೇಡುವೆವು ಗುರುಪಾದ ಪದ್ಮದಲ್ಲಿ. ಬೇಡುವೆವು ಗುರುಪಾದ ಪದ್ಮದಲ್ಲಿ. ಬೇಡುವೆವು ಗುರುಪಾದ ಪದ್ಮದಲ್ಲಿ.
ಆನಂದಾಶ್ರಮಶಿಷ್ಯಾಗ್ರ್ಯಂ ಸ್ವಾನಂದಾಂಬುಧಿಮಜ್ಜಿತಂ ಆನಂದಾಶ್ರಮಿಣಂ ವಂದೇ ಪರಿಜ್ಞಾನಾಶ್ರಮಂ ಗುರುಂ. ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀ ಭವಾನಿ ಶಂಕರಾಯ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀ ಮಾತ್ರೇ ನಮಃ. सान कार्यक्रम जाल्यार अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण कार्य सिद्ध जाल्या ह्या एक 4 दिवसांचे हांगा वासांतू आमचे खातीर. मठाचे एडमिनिस्ट्रेशनाचो फाव आसा, युवधाराचो संपर्क आनी आमगेलें वैयक्तीक अनुश्ठान जातकी ना की म्हणलें केलें जाल्यार आजी संपन्न जाल्लें. तशीच एक कृतज्ञता अर्पण करून कृतज्ञतापूर्वक नमस्कार करून हांव हांगां प्रस्थान करतस गुरुचरणी. म्हणून आमी सांगचें एक देश काल संकीर्त्य म्हणून एक संकल्प घेता ती संकीर्तन करून देशाचें अमूक क्षेत्रांत तूं संकल्प करतना. सो हांगा येवचे भितर तो एक संकल्प करता म्हणना येतातीचे संकल्प करून जाल्यार देश पूण ताजें एक महत्व केल्लें आसा. रिमाइंड योर माइंड, इट रिक्वायर्स इट. There's a meeting, you all come planned for a meeting. This is what I want to posit. These are the ऑब्जेक्शन्स आय मे एनकाउंटर इत्यादी म्हणटा विचार चलता आसता. बट वेन यू स्टेप इन नमस्कार करून all this has very little value. Kalni, right now it has, and I have to achieve. But within a year or two, I'll have forgotten what it is that I came all worked up for. So you are Shashvat. Mrutashi eka deshacha mahima. Experience it like that. Sankirtan matashi. This was created for a specific purpose, for a Brahmanishtha, and that continues. It will be a haven, it will be an island of peace for us. Also intense upasana has been done here, Parijnanashram Swamyan Kalya. So I am entitled to do that also. Then, having experienced that even for a second, Sankirtan Korn Madele, Magiri, indulge, involve yourself into whatever seva that you are doing. You will be protected. And that's Purna Labh Medatala. So तशी एक नूतनता येतली, एक समस्या म्हण दिसल्या सुद्दां आत्मबल प्रकट करतावं म्हणून एक संकल्प घेवन ते कले एक यू attempt to even tackle that situation, or collectively we want to do something better म्हण तशी एक उत्साहन करतना सुद्दां केल्यारी एक नूतनता निश्चित येतली. काल ह्या थोडे विशय आयिल्ले न्ही, सारस्वतं देहि मे. So we made it very clear. I think Umapachi right in the beginning, Saraswat doesn't mean only intellectual arts also, and born Saraswat is entitled to म्हणटा सगळं कोर न्हू. आतां तें प्रकट कशें करचें म्हणून विशय आयलो तांतू मागीर सुमार विशय आयले. वाणी संयम. सो वाणी संयम अशी की सांग उल्लो लायनीतील बसल्या आतां इट बिकम्स venom inside. So then we fine-tune, we make mistakes and we fine-tune how to be assertive, how to be polite, etc., etc. And it's a constant exercise. Brothers, no? Because you're living, no? Yeah, all of us are alive. That means there's scope for more and more understanding, more and more growth. Now I know how to tackle any situation by somewhere. Either you're dead or you're going to go by the book and you're going to get into trouble. Every situation, small or big, will be unique because you are evolving. So तशी एक मनाक बुद्धीक एक दण जायनाशी ह्यो आनी विचार करक नाक्क जालेले विचार बंद जाल्यार आनी एक स्फुरण येतलें हाव टू बी क्रिएटीव इन योर एप्रोच ऑल्सो. आनी मागीर लास्ट टायम तें सारस्वतन देहिमेचें ग्रेस सौष्ठव म्हणटात. दॅट इज डेफिनेटली द चार्म स्वाम्यांक गेल्लें एक अनुग्रहान येता. आमी तितलो अधिकार येना फुडें. सो वॉट इज डन ऑर सेड तांतू एक ग्रेस येता विच इज अलौकिक, एंड इट कॅनॉट बी कंट्रायव्ड, इट कॅनॉट बी प्लॅन्ड आउट. थंय थंय तुमी पुरुषार्थ करता, बट समथींग एक खुशी जाली आफ्टर द मिटींग म्हणलें तें एक प्रसादू. एंड इट इज एन इंडिकेशन वेन यू बिगीन टू सेन्स इट इन एनी व्यवहार, स्मॉल ग्रुप्स आन्सो एक्टिव हँड्स करतना, you will say, yes, this has now got the stamp of Guru Anumodana. Otherwise, mathematically perfect and mukhar zale, enjoyable zale, but a charm comes in a meeting. Everybody gets up. It has been tutu meme zalya, but we have come to certain conclusions. We have kept something in abeyance, and we know who should be doing what. We are collectively accountable, but individually responsible. I won't repeat. I have elaborated it adequately. In all that, आणि एक पण would you like to take this up again? I am meeting Koroka with the same people. Yes, म्हणून येता because that charm has come. You understand that? Then grace. वय की ना कशी सांग का म्हणून वय ना वय. All parameters are there. It was your job to ensure that nobody wastes. So we started with size of the law. चमचा not add. चमचा को लेके उपकरी नहीं बांटी जाएगी, and not other way around also. And there was some very enigmatic statement, because we have increased the ladle, now there is no waste of food. That I am still wondering and working out in my yatra. But other than that, what seems coherent and logical to me, I learned something beyond logic, how to communicate. And tantu Kusumpachin Hallele Aka, and of course it was brought up by Chandru Padbidri Mam, which took me some time to understand. Ek Daula, standard, Sheetwal. Second, you look and elicitment at a response because you're smiling. Don't smile too much or bat your eyelids or something. Cue will be very different. Just detlench kare. So that person says no. Yes, deliver. No third. Move. Sadhana Paji is looking bewildered. You share. She was not there yesterday, I think. What happened, we find out. So beautiful. तशी हाड आती where ना उल्लोनच म्हणून सांगल्या म्हणून you don't make it a fetish, or उल्लों का म्हणून सांगल्या ह्या दोन्ही extremes there is something which can be communicated, and then you'll attend to that swiftness of receiving the cues because you know what your body is doing. Now, I didn't mean that, but your expression and the force of your words. So if you're not aware what you're communicating, you think only what you say is communication. How it is being received, what impact it has is a process of communication. If you're not aware of it, you don't get the feedback correctly, your communication is long. So Tirulsam Buddhyasana, more verbose, more communication. So a gesture, a smile can make the correct, elicit literally the correct response, and you understand, and you are not going to give a second one. Communication happened, done. So it came as a marmic point to conclude all our discussions and all. And don't, initially it may look artificial, but sahaj if you follow the other niyamas. Your anushtan, remembering background, the sanctity of this place, and you have to achieve something by hook or by crook mundna, it will evolve, it will come up. Second round, anizatalai, manifest, work out of strength. Okay? Shivara Tati Padayati, this time I opened up to seniors. No, seniors and volunteers, senior volunteers also. Don't make it a mela, it is exclusively for Shibirs, Shibirathis, Sanchalaks, Upasanchalaks. At least those 28 thono. But seniors also will be there, that is Sanchalaks. So they'll also get to see 2 days, 3 sessions, Sanjay Hagala, Shattila. And as I said, if you really want volunteers, senior volunteers, you can ask him also, teach us also something, Padayati, Ponyatki, senior son, Konasati, Sanchalak Sasatki, Shibirayam, December Shibirayatal, you're Upasanchalaks, and you're part of the Shibir. Not we don't have Sanchalaks here, currently in this. Okay, you take a call if you're coming then, and you're not to misuse that, whatever you learn. So even if there is a slight hurt or something that happens in the course of your whatever seva you're doing, this is negligible compared to the joy that I'm going to feel when this whole thing, I go through it intelligently, because my connect with that Guru Shakti is really increasing. Joyous. Seek for that charm. Take a saushthav, I say, Swamangal Kalek, Upadeshantu and Vachanantu, whatever I have received. Small Vakya, Arthuzata, very clear instruction, but infinite scope for Tajarman and Kalyari, guidance at every stage. I can't go into details, but Tashi Upadesh Mella. So I sense that happening even when I am dealing with people. I just want you all to be aware of that. We are all entitled to it. So your communication, reception, everything will be seeking that and expressing that charm. Saushthavyam. Irebet mamak sangche authentically aikal lami and bhog barashila the niro kali am saying niro pai bhog am chalam sang, but then I realized I had not yet heard it. So brains alle and rag targam to ashilo tune. Om Namah Parvati Pataya Har Har Mahadev.